This is our first in a series of showing you our meat byproducts that we produce in our federally inspected meat facility. The product today I'll be showing you is our tenderloin tips. What we have here are bite-sized pieces of aged beef tenderloin that are perfectly trimmed and ready to use. The dish I'll be creating today is an Asian-inspired dish using these several ingredients. 3 ounces of pre-cooked lo mein noodles, 1 ounce of oyster mushrooms. I like to leave them whole to really show the oyster mushroom and gives it a nice contrast in the dish. Some julienne red peppers for color. I have here some frozen edamame. They're pre-shucked and they're by family tradition. They're ready to use. It's a great product that we stock here at Northern Haserot. A little bit of garlic and ginger, finely minced. I'm going to top the dish off at the end with some micro wasabi, available from our fresh produce department. The micro wasabi is actually a sprout of wasabi that has a nice little horseradish kick and also has a nice color contrast to finish the dish. The sauce we're using today is a Japanese wasabi uzu dressing. It's actually imported from Japan, ready to use, and it's got a great flavor profile. So we're going to get started here. I'll show you what to do. First, I'm going to start with a nice preheated hot pan. And I've already seasoned my meat with some salt and pepper. To the pan, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of my cooking oil, nice and hot, like I said. And then in with my tenderloin. Remember, tenderloin is quick. You don't want to overcook it, so this dish is going to move really fast. You want to brown the tenderloin, kind of on every side here. Okay. Then really quickly, in the pan, your garlic and ginger, your red pepper, your family tradition frozen edamame, your oyster mushrooms. Leave them nice and whole. You have a nice presentation when you finish the dish. Just going to move that around a little bit. Alright, once that's cooked, I'm ready for my sauce. I'm going to add about 2 ounces of this Japanese wasabi uzu dressing. Then immediately in my pan, the pre-cooked lo mein. Remember, the lo mein is pre-cooked already, so all you're doing is heating it throughout. Quick saute. Just to heat the lo mein through. As you can see, the meat has nice color on it. The vegetables are cooked. The mushrooms are starting to wilt down. Okay, looks like we're ready to plate. What I'll do is quickly just move the tenderloin off to the side. I'll take my lo mein noodles right in the middle. Try to get a little height on it. The rest of my vegetables right on the top. Then I'll spread my tenderloin out for a nice plate presentation over the dish. As you can see, 5 ounces is plenty of a portion there. And just finish it with anything that's left in the pan. All the nice peppers and mushrooms, edamame in the sauce. Okay, great. What we'll do now is finish it with some of that micro wasabi that we're talking about. Remember, a little bit of this goes a long way, but it really makes a nice contrast on the top. We will clean the plate. And we are ready. Enjoy. A great value-added dish for under $5.